Restream is one of the most popular tools for streaming to multiple platforms at once, but before you hit that buy button, there are 7 key things you need to know. In this video, we'll go over what makes Restream stand out and how it stacks up against competitors. Stick around till the end because we've got some exclusive insights that could make a huge difference in how you use this software. First, let's talk about Restream's multi-platform streaming. Unlike other tools that might limit you to a handful of destinations, Restream lets you stream to over 30 different platforms at the same time. Whether you're going live on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, or even niche platforms like Trovo or DLive, Restream makes it easy to get your content everywhere. This is one of the things that sets it apart from competitors like StreamYard, which has more limited platform options. Next thing you'll want to know is that Restream is browser-based. This means you don't have to worry about installing heavy software on your system. You can go live from almost any device with a decent internet connection. That's a huge advantage over OBS, for example, which is free but requires more technical know-how to get set up properly. Restream's simple, intuitive interface is ideal for those who need to focus on the content, not the tech. The third thing you should know is about Restream's customization options. It lets you personalize your streams with branded overlays, graphics, and logos. For content creators looking to differentiate their streams, this is a huge deal. Platforms like Streamlabs and OBS do allow some customization, but Restream's built-in design tools are a real time saver, especially for beginners or people who don't want to deal with third-party software. The fourth thing is Restream's chat integration. It consolidates all of your chat feeds into one window, making it easier to engage with your audience across all platforms. This is crucial if you're streaming to multiple places and want to keep the interaction seamless. Other tools like StreamYard do offer chat features, but Restream's all-in-one chat feed is a step ahead in terms of managing multiple channels. The fifth point is the analytics and reports Restream offers. They give you real-time data on your streams so you can track performance, engagement, and viewer activity. While this feature is available in other streaming tools, Restream's analytics are particularly user-friendly and provide insights that can help you fine-tune your streaming strategy. It's one of the best ways to ensure that your content is not only reaching a wider audience, but also resonating with them. Now, let's talk about Restream's pricing. While it has a free version, the premium features really unlock the full potential of the software. At a starting price that's comparable to competitors like StreamYard or Ecam Live, Restream offers more bang for your buck with its multi-streaming capabilities. And don't forget, they offer a free trial for those who want to test out the platform before committing. This makes it easy to see if it's the right tool for your needs without any pressure. Finally, there's Restream Studio, an all-in-one live studio that lets you create professional broadcasts directly in your browser. You can bring in guests, share your screen, and add graphics in real time, all without needing additional equipment. While other streaming software like OBS or XSplit might require external tools to do similar things, Restream Studio puts everything into one easy-to-use package. It's perfect for content creators who want high-quality broadcasts without the headache of complex setups. If you're looking to try out Restream for yourself, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to a completely free trial, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that can help you maximize your streaming potential. Don't wait. Start streaming smarter with Restream today.